Washington, an appeals court is trying to answer the question, should a former president be immune from prosecution? That was the topic being debated in court as Donald Trump looked on. His lawyers say he should not be charged for any acts as president, even if he ordered a political assassination. Robert Costa has the latest.
I did nothing wrong.
Former President Donald Trump was defiant, insisting he cannot be prosecuted.
I feel that as a president, you have to have immunity. Very simple.
In the crowded courtroom, Trump sat in the front row, next to his lawyer, who argued the former president and all presidents should be immune from prosecution over conduct while in office.
To authorize the prosecution of a president for his official acts would open a Pandora's box.
The judges pressed Trump's lawyer, proposing dramatic hypothetical scenarios to test the bounds of Trump's argument.
I asked you a yes or no question. Could a president who ordered SEAL Team 6 to assassinate a political rival who was not impeached, would he be subject to criminal prosecution?
If he were impeached and convicted first. And
so your answer is no.
My answer is qualified yes.
Special counsel Jack Smith's team pushed back.
It would mean that if a former president engages in assassination, selling pardons, these kinds of things, and then isn't impeached and convicted, there is no accountability for that individual.
The judges seem skeptical of Trump's argument that he's immune for his conduct while he was in office.
Tom Dupree is a former federal prosecutor.
You have to keep in mind that today's argument in the Court of Appeals was really a way station. I think the final battleground on this will be the United States Supreme Court.
Former President Trump is expected to be in another court tomorrow, this time in New York, for closing arguments in the civil fraud trial against him and his company. Sources say Trump has been talking privately to his advisors about potentially delivering some of his legal team's closing remarks, underscoring how he sees these stops as a stage just days before the Iowa caucuses. Tony.
All the world's a stage to that former president, Bob. Thank you very much.